Removing backgrounds on images, upscaling them and making them a high resolution image. That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any of your clip art, any PNGs. I'm going to show you how to upscale them so that the image has more information, so that when we can upsize it, downsize it, it's still really clear, and then converting it to a higher DPI so that it's high resolution and print ready. And this is ideal for your own clip art, for your any images at all, whether you're crafting, creating digital products, sublimating, whether it's for yourself or whether you're selling your products. So let's get into it. My first go-to tool to remove backgrounds is Canva. Now, I do have a paid account to do this. You need Canva Pro to remove the background. I'm going to show you a free tool as well shortly, but Canva is the first place that I go to. So if you haven't got a free account already with Canva, I highly recommend you do. It's great for your designs and for a multitude of things. Go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. From there, you can try the Canva Pro for free for 30 days to see if it suits you. It's not expensive, but there is a cost to it. Now I'm in Canva, I create a canvas that's 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels, so a square will do for this. We can have them all in this same file. I then upload the clip art that I downloaded out of Midjourney into Canva. So if we start with the toy shop, make it fit the canvas as best we can, click the background remover here and let it work its magic. Now I want to remove this here. I'm not happy with that, how that looks, because as you can see it looks like a square. So I now go to edit, magic eraser, and then I'll start to remove this here as carefully as I can. Erase. It's not going to do it, so let's have another go. Maybe we can do it bit by bit and see if that makes it easier rather than giving it too much to think about. Nope, it's not liking this, and this is the problem. Sometimes no, so it doesn't like that. Okay, so we could see how that looks like that, and that would possibly do for most people. However, that's not what I want, how I want it to look. So what I would then do is go to another background removing tool that I have, which is called remove.bg. So I would go to there. This is Santa's Toy Shop one. So it's removed the background, but again it's left this. So we click the erase, and again you can alter the size of your brush. Click done. And there, that has actually removed it. So that looks good. So click done, click download to my downloads, and see what that now looks like. And as you can see, it's clean all the way around. Let's go to the door now. Background remover. That looks fine. Might want to just remove that again. Edit, magic erase. It's not too big a deal, but let's just remove it. It does remove most stuff, does Canva, so it's just for the odd thing that I need to use others. So we work through and we do this all the way around. Background remover again, and that you can test it by clicking on the actual background, go into your colours, put a dark colour in, and you can see that there's no loose ends as such. So I'll change that back to white there. When I've finished, go to share, download, transparent background, because I want to make it a PNG with a transparent background for the clip art. Click the download button, and then I will have all the images in a file. Plus I had that other one where I used the other background remover, and you will see that they've all got the background removed. Now I can see here that my image size, because I have a Mac, and I can go to the top here and see what the image size is, 2000 by 2000. I want it to be a little bit bigger than that, and I want it to be at 300 dpi, so that is a high resolution image for people to be able to print. They can even sublimate this onto clothing, mugs, whatever they want to use it on. I want it to be high quality, so they've got the choice. And if you're like me and you love to create images, I've got just the thing for you. It's a guide with 15 styles and designs that's predicted to be big in 2025. So that's great if you're creating for yourself or if you're selling them on places like Etsy. And it covers things for digital products, physical products, print on demand, gives you loads of ideas for different products, different designs and what you can use them on. So go grab it now. It's free. I'll leave the link below. Now, my upscaler of choice is Gigapixel Topaz Labs. It's a paid tool, and I'm going to show you some free tools shortly. But the reason it's a winner for me is because I can bulk upload many images at once, and it will convert it to 300 dpi all in one go. So it saves me time. So I want to upscale these images. I want to make them bigger without losing any loss of quality. And to do that, I'll go to my images, find that file of where those images were. I want to make them, say, 4000 by 4000. This isn't square, so. And there it will do all of those for me in one go. And it's at 300 dpi. So if I just export all 13 images of those, then that's going to give me high quality images with a transparent background ready to sell or use. And the free ones that you can use for the upscaler, img.upscaler. This will make your images bigger without losing quality. So on the free plan you can only do one at once, so drag and drop into there, and you can do it by 200%, so twice as big or 4 times as big. Upload and start, and then that will increase the size of that. And now for the free DPI converter. I've used this one previously, which is convert-dpi.com. I'll leave those details below. And what this does is convert your image to 300 DPI dots per inch. This makes it print quality, because when we export out of Canva, our images are either at 72 or 96 DPI, which just isn't enough quality for print most of the time. We don't want that image pixelated at all if we have to stretch it. We want it to be really clear and really good print quality. To do that, we make sure that it's at 300 dpi here, then click add image files. We can upload in bulk, click upload, and then it's going to add them in here. And then when they finish converting, we can download them, and they'll be at 300 dpi then. So now we've upscaled it to make the image a better quality and converted it to 300 dpi, so now that it's at that really high print quality. And go check out this video next, where I show you how I create clip art using Midjourney. I show you how I come up with ideas to create a cohesive pack, and then how I actually create the beautiful images inside of Midjourney. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next one.